Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find AirDrop files on your iPhone. Let's get started. So when someone AirDrops you a photo or video, it will automatically appear in your Photos application. You can open up your Photos application and then you should see the file at the top. Sometimes it takes a moment to show up, so be patient. If the AirDrop was a document or PDF or other file type, you can simply check the Files app. Go ahead and simply open up your Files application, and then inside here you can go ahead and simply select Recent. So if it's not there, you can go ahead and simply tap on Browse and tap on Downloads. Just like that, you will then be able to find your AirDropped file or document. If someone AirDrops you a contact card, it will open directly in your Contacts app. Just open the Contacts application and then check the latest entry. If the AirDrop was a note, it may open in your Notes app. Similarly, if it was a keynote or PowerPoint presentation, you'll usually find it in the Files app or directly in the corresponding app if installed. The iPhone automatically sorts AirDrop file by type: photos to photos, documents to file, contact to contacts, and so on. If you can't find something where you expect it, double check the File app because many different file types will default there. That's it. Now you know exactly where to look when someone AirDrops you files on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.